just arrived on Chunik Bair Peninsula, which is where Gallipoli is. And that's the first time we've seen the sea in a month and a half. We've arrived at our Airbnb in Gallipoli. And this is the bustling port of Gallipoli. It's a bit rough out there. Luckily we're not going on a boat tomorrow. We're going to be driving further down the peninsula to ANZAC Cove, which is roughly in that direction. Taking a walk down to the waterfront. Ahead of us there is the longest mid-span suspension bridge in the world. So not the longest total bridge, but mid-span suspension bridge. So you can either cross that to get to the other side, mainland Turkey, or you can take one of these car ferries, which is a lot cheaper. We've taken a walk into Gallipoli Township, which was lovely. It got a little bit cold and rainy at the end. We picked up some snacks, and now we are chilling.
One side, the Ally. It's a major nation.
Bit of a trench system. So that's the Mustafa Kemal statue. This is the very top of Chunik Bair. This is the New Zealand Memorial at the top of Chunik Bair. Another trench system. So this is just below the crest of Chunik Bair, and everyone's oriented towards where the Anzacs landed, and down there is ANZAC Cove across that scrubby ground. Walking down from Chunik Bair, you can go along this ridge line, which is where the Kiwis came up. We're walking down Rhododendron Ridge, which is where the Kiwis came up to attack Chunik Bair, and it's way muddier than what we thought. It's just caked to our shoes. Here's one of the many cemeteries dotted around the place. This has a whole lot of names from Auckland Mounted Rifles, Canterbury Mounted Rifles, Wellington Mounted Rifles, Otago, New Zealand Artillery, Auckland Infantry Regiment. So this is ANZAC Cove and the memorial area and parade ground where they hold the services, and then you can see up there, you can't quite see it, but Chunik Bair, where we just were, is up there, so that's what they had to fight their way through. So our first Turkish meal, and this restaurant is famous for its, I don't even know what they're called. What are they called, Anna? Give us a lesson. Turkish cuisine.
Gozleme or something.
Gozleme? Yep, we'll go with that. Turkish Motorcycle Club. Monument here to the Turkish Navy. The kids are on the playground over there, but just beyond there, in that cluster of buildings, there's a Turkish naval facility. So we spotted this in the supermarket and had to try it. It's a little bit messy, as you can see, but very good, right? to Istanbul.